All right, so the dome light is still on, irregardless, or is it regardless? Irregardless? Regardless?
Regardless.
Regardless of
what we do.
What we do, so that's fun and games.
Okay, so let's leave that there. Right now.
No courtesy lights. No, sir.
Okay, so we had courtesy lights on that side before.
Correct.
Okay, so all we technically have an issue with
is this fucker being on.
Is the ground for the courtesy light,
Needs to be connected.
which will ground the system,
Mm-hmm.
which I didn't hook back up. And then all we have the issue with is the constant powered dome light, which okay, so I just need to find where I let the ground go. For that connector. And that should technically solve the courtesy light issue. Should.
In theory.
Yeah, in theory.
But all of this is such a zoo. Hey, there's courtesy lights. Here's your doors open, huh? Close your door. Close your courtesy lights. Ah! Alright,
so I technically grounded the system. So somehow, somewhere...
What if dome and courtesy are backwards on the thing?
You know, I never fucking thought of that, legitimately. Because the dome is technically supposed to come on with the door.
Mm-hmm.
And courtesy is supposed to come on with the switch.
Or the door.
Or the door. So, now that we have that grounded back out again... Oh, this is gonna fucking hurt.
Ooh, contortionist Scotty!
Yeah.
Ready?
Okay, out. One.
Hey, look, we don't have a dome light.
Two.
Courtesy's off. Now courtesy's on. Dome's on. Now you gotta get up and close the door. And if it doesn't work.
Okay. So let's put this back so I don't take...
Breathe.
There we go.
Breathe. 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 Nothing. Nope. We still have lights on everything. Nope.
Watch. We didn't have that before.
Oh shit, when you hit the key it's flickering. Okay, well that's positive.
So the dome should go out. No,
Courtesy
courtesy.
went out.
Okay, so the system is being charged.
Somewhere else.
Yep. But at least we did a little more on figuring it out.
Yeah, none of that makes a lick of freaking sense. But
No, it doesn't. It just doesn't. Because the other thing I'm going to do...
maybe, if the light wants to cooperate with you.
That's not hooked up.
That's not hooked to anything right now.
Well, it is, but there's nothing connecting it. So what I'm curious about is, on the system, why do we have orange as a ground and brown as memory?
That's according to their instructions to that diagram. Which is redonkulous. But we had radio worked, everything was stellar on that end. Let me know when you want power unhooked.
I still wonder, because that's nowhere near factory, and I highly doubt
Are you trying to get zapped? Because this isn't where we have our bust out our electrical kink. Okay?
Yeah. That's light blue and dark blue put together. No.
Yeah. Where's our diagram?
Okay, so
Let's go to the table and go over that. Let's lay that baby down. Let's breathe a little. Because it'd be nice to set that out and we discuss.